Right, so right off the bat, I will be featuring X Gear watches first. I'll let you guys know about my flow, and it'll be easier to follow. So I'll be doing X Gears and I'll be doing Casios afterwards. So we'll do digital first and followed by analog. So after the Casios, we'll be looking at Seikos. And let me just get sort of consolidate all of them for you. So if you're interested, do just let us know. So for the triple register ones, I do have one in with a black rubber strap and a full stealthy black brushed stainless steel case with contrasting gold elements on the metalwork, the screws and the indices and the hands as well. It's a very 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 nice piece. 你这句话太屌了，这没有是表率不是后率。Right, so as you can see on the wrist, it sits very very nicely. If you're looking for something to wear on a casual basis, on sort of like as an everyday beater, or if you want to go, I think you can definitely wear this out to go hiking, but maybe not the gold one. It's a bit bling, but can definitely survive the elements. This one's water resistant to 30 meters, so that's more than enough actually. It's a very 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 nice timepiece with all the functions of a G-Shock watch, stopwatch, timer, alarm, everything, though only at a fraction of the price. Let me see if I can get the light on. Yep, that's the light right there. So yep, and there's one that I actually quite like a lot. That is this one. Very 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 unique color scheme. It's a very lovely metallic blue. Caris, yes, but actually kids at the age of 11, I doubt they have wrists the size of mine lah. It'll be a bit oversized on them. It'll be a little bit oversized on them, depending on their wrist size. But it's a very budget friendly watch lah, certainly. But I do have some baby G's and G-Shocks coming out that might be more appropriate for more accommodating for their wrists. So you can check those out later on. Yeah, 如果你的孩子的手是像我的那么大，你的孩子真的是一点 scary 飞电巨人那么小就有我那么大的 wrist though actually my wrist isn't that big. I think so. Yeah, this is the one on the blue metal strap. These are all identical shape. Where's the one that I was looking for? Oh, not this one. But you know which one I'm talking about lah. Everyone grew up seeing and wearing that watch. It's a very 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 classic shape, but miniaturized. So this one comes in at about 38 millimeters in diameter, and with all the proper functions as my first rose gold colored watch so far. 看你喜欢哪一样的，这个definitely more dressy. This one's a bit more casual. It's actually, I think, one of the only made in Singapore watches around now. 怎么？Different. It's a very very nice piece. I say this would be sort of Aries Gold's answer to a Seiko Presage, but more on a budget. This one normally retails in at about $328, but today we're letting go only at $213. So this is a very simple three-hander with a date window, but they all come with a very lovely sunburst dial. You can even see my reflection there, as well as the phone on the dial. And one thing I really like about this is the case shape and the shape of the sapphire crystal. If you can see the crystal, it's domed. You can see 一点翘起来这样的 Yep. It's a very nice domed sapphire crystal, which gives a very nice